Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for many of our viewers, the best SUVs for seniors. These vehicles offer the perfect blend of comfort, reliability, and ease of use, which are all essential factors to consider as we age. We're going to be taking a look at 6 different SUVs that excel in these areas, examining their features, quirks, and overall appeal to older drivers. From spacious interiors and advanced safety technology to smooth rides and user-friendly controls, these SUVs have something to offer everyone. Whether you're a senior yourself or you're helping a loved one find their next vehicle, this video will provide valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of senior-friendly SUVs. First up, we have the Subaru Forester, a perennial favorite known for its practicality and all-around capability. One of the most important things for seniors when choosing an SUV is ease of access. The Forester's tall ride height and wide-opening doors make it incredibly easy to slide right in. Inside, you'll find a spacious and airy cabin with plenty of headroom and legroom. The seats are designed to be supportive and comfortable, even on longer drives. Plus, the controls are all logically laid out and easy to reach with large buttons and knobs that are simple to operate. Visibility is another crucial factor for senior drivers, and the Forester excels in this department. Its large windows and thin pillars provide excellent all-around visibility, minimizing blind spots. The Forester comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight suite of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. These features provide an extra layer of protection on the road. Overall, the Subaru Forester is an excellent choice for seniors who prioritize comfort, ease of use, and safety. Next up, we have the Honda CR-V, a stalwart in the compact SUV segment known for its reliability and strong safety ratings. Honda has a stellar reputation for reliability, and the CR-V is no exception. It's consistently ranked among the most reliable SUVs on the market, meaning fewer unexpected breakdowns or costly repairs. The CR-V also excels in crash tests, earning top ratings from both the ISO-HS and the NHTSA. It comes equipped with Honda Sensing, which offers features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. These features work together to help prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. The CR-V's interior is comfortable and well-designed, with plenty of space for both passengers and cargo. The controls are logically placed and easy to use even if you're not tech-savvy. Visibility is excellent thanks to the CR-V's large windows and well-placed mirrors. So, if you value reliability, safety, and a comfortable driving experience, the Honda CR-V is definitely worth considering. Now let's talk about the Toyota RAV4, another incredibly popular SUV known for its reliability, practicality, and user-friendly technology. The RAV4 stands out for its focus on outward visibility. It has large windows all around, providing excellent sightlines in every direction. The A-pillars are relatively thin, minimizing blind spots. Toyota's infotainment systems are praised for their ease of use, and the one in the RAV4 is no exception. It features large, clearly labeled icons, a responsive touchscreen, and a straightforward menu structure. The RAV4 comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced driver assistance features. This includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The RAV4 also offers a comfortable and spacious interior with plenty of room for both passengers and cargo. The seats are supportive and comfortable, even on longer drives. Overall, the Toyota RAV4 is a great option for seniors who value visibility, user-friendly technology, and a comfortable driving experience. Now, let's move on to the Ford Escape, a stylish and versatile SUV perfect for seniors who need plenty of cargo space. Whether you're hauling groceries, luggage, or golf clubs, the Escape's got you covered. It offers a generous amount of cargo space behind the rear seats, and you can fold those seats down for even more room. The Escape also offers clever storage solutions throughout the cabin, including a hidden storage compartment under the cargo floor. Ford has stepped up its game in recent years with interior quality, and the Escape is a prime example. The materials are soft touch and upscale, and the seats are comfortable and supportive. Ford's Sync 3 infotainment system is responsive and intuitive. The Escape comes standard with Ford Co-Pilot 360, a suite of advanced driver assistance features, so if you need a versatile and spacious SUV with plenty of cargo room and the latest safety tech, the Ford Escape is worth a look. Now let's talk about the Hyundai Santa Fe, a stylish and refined SUV known for its fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. The Santa Fe offers excellent fuel economy and a reputation for reliability, helping keep maintenance costs low. Imagine stretching your retirement savings further by choosing a vehicle that sips fuel and rarely needs unscheduled repairs. Hyundai has packed this SUV with a ton of value, offering a luxurious interior, advanced technology, and a comfortable ride. Inside, you'll find a spacious and well-appointed cabin with high-quality materials and comfortable seats. Hyundai's infotainment system is intuitive, with a responsive touchscreen and clear graphics. The Santa Fe comes standard with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist. These features help prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. So if you value fuel efficiency, low maintenance costs, and a luxurious yet affordable driving experience, the Hyundai Santa Fe should be at the top of your list. It's a well-rounded SUV that offers great value for seniors. Finally, let's talk about the Kia Sarrento, a stylish and sophisticated SUV known for its smooth ride, quiet cabin, and impressive warranty. As we age, a comfortable and composed ride becomes even more important. The Sarrento excels at providing a smooth and refined driving experience. Kia has tuned the Sarrento's suspension to soak up bumps and dips in the road. The Sarrento's cabin is remarkably quiet, even at highway speeds. Kia's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty provides exceptional peace of mind. The Sarrento also offers a stylish design, a well-appointed interior, and a user-friendly infotainment system. The interior is upscale for its price point, with high-quality materials and comfortable seats. So if you value a smooth ride, a quiet cabin, and the peace of mind that comes with a long warranty, the Kia Sarrento is worth considering. There you have it, folks. 6 SUVs that seniors think are perfect for their needs. From the spacious and easy-access Subaru Forester to the reliable and safety-focused Honda CR-V, the visibility champion Toyota RAV4, the cargo-hauling Ford Escape, the fuel-efficient Hyundai Santa Fe, and the smooth-riding Kia Sarrento, there's an SUV on this list for every senior and every need. Remember, choosing the right SUV is a personal decision, and what works best for one person may not be the best fit for another. It's important to consider your individual needs, priorities, and budget when making your decision. Don't hesitate to take a few different models for a test drive to get a feel for how they handle and to see which features are most important to you. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.